So this is the internal drive mounting kit. So it's to convert a 3.5-inch bay to allow it to accommodate 2.5-inch discs internally. Here. So there's what we got in it on the various bits and pieces. So comes in the box. Just some blow up. Okay, so you can give you a little screwdriver, and then you have the plate for mounting, so you can see 3.5-inch, 2.5-inch. That's that. So what else comes? Two SATA cables, because this adapter can accommodate two 2.5-inch drives, and then you have the power adapters, so you can take that from molex on the computer, and there's the adapters that go onto the hard disk. A bag of screws, like we say, screwdriver as well. And SATA power adapter. Okay then, so what's this one? Oh yeah, so you get two cables. So if you have a spare SATA power adapter on your wiring harness in your computer, you can use this one. And if you don't, you can use the molex one. So generally most of the machines there will have a molex connector, you know, the old style connector. And that converts into the power connector for the SATA. And this one there is if you have a modern SATA power connector going spare. Very good. Okay, that's it. What else comes with it? Instructions. There's nothing really to be said for it. That's it. So, two different types of power adapters, mounting screws, screwdriver, two SATA cables, and this is the tray for mounting. Very good.